In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into a site using Dashlane. Whether you're a seasoned Dashlane user or just getting started, this guide will walk you through the process with ease, ensuring that you understand every step along the way. Let's dive right in. To get started, you'll first want to open up your preferred web browser. This is the tool you'll be using to access the internet and visit the websites you frequent. Once your browser is open, navigate to the website you intend to log into. This could be any site, from your email provider to a social media platform. Just type the website's URL into the address bar and hit enter. Next, focus on locating the login portal of the website. This is typically a section where you'll see prompts for a username and password. It's usually found at the top right corner of the web page, but this can vary depending on the site's layout. Sometimes it might say sign in or log in, so keep an eye out for those keywords. Now, here's where Dashlane comes into play. If you've previously saved your login credentials for this particular site in Dashlane, the Dashlane extension will usually recognize the login fields right away. You might notice the Dashlane D icon popping up within the fields, or you could receive a prompt from the extension itself. This is Dashlane's way of letting you know it's ready to assist you with logging in. In the case where you have multiple sets of credentials saved for the same site, Dashlane is smart enough to ask you which one you'd like to use. This is particularly handy if you manage different accounts for work and personal use. From the prompt that appears, simply select the appropriate login that you wish to use for this session. After you've made your selection, Dashlane will take it from there. It's designed to automatically fill in your username and password for you. This automation not only saves time, but also enhances your security by keeping your credentials secure within the Dashlane vault. In many instances, Dashlane will even log you in immediately after filling out the necessary fields. And there you have it, a seamless, secure, and efficient way to log into websites using Dashlane. By following these straightforward steps, you ensure that your login process is not only quick, but also safe, as Dashlane protects your sensitive information from prying eyes. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more helpful guides like this one. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. See you in the next video.